There's a question that I think we need to ask ourselves. And it's a question I ask myself every single day. And that's, in a world that is dominated by constant distraction, how do we transcend that noise and win the moments that truly matter?
The leader of the future leads with the mental strength and the focus of an athlete. And the leader of the future leads with the presence and the compassion of a heart-centered visionary.
I think we live in a culture that's driven by fear. Everything's speeding up. AI is not going anywhere. Everybody's being asked to do more with less.
It's not about the hours. It's about the presence that we bring to the hours. And so I picked up a meditation practice. I shaved my head and I moved into an ashram in India. That's not actually true.
And the shift that we have to create is not the external, it's the internal shift in how we're showing up. We have to win the moment.
Because it's the choices that we make on a moment-to-moment basis that we stack over time that create long-term breakthrough results. See, lots of times we get caught in the storm. We become the emotions. But with mindfulness, we can, number one, create awareness. Number two, we can detach from that situation. And number three, then we can get objective. And now I'm here and I'm the observer of the storm instead of becoming the storm.
The level of focus, discipline, and drive that some of these players had that we worked with was unbelievable. But that's not all you need. You can't just have the drive, discipline, and focus of an elite athlete. Leaders have to combine that with the heart, the compassion, the connection, the empathy that allows people to take risks and be creative. Compassion allows you to hold people to higher standards.
What Steph taught me was that when we can drop our need to obtain our self-worth and our identity from our external accomplishments, we can drop into the present moment, which is the only place that we can do our greatest work and that we can show up as the best version of ourselves for those that we lead. Nobody ever sped Kobe up. Nobody dictated what he did on the floor. He was always playing from a place of being centered, a place of being grounded. He had the awareness to come back to his breath and anchor himself in the present moment. Your ego will always tell you, accomplish more and you'll find your self-worth. But your essence says, I have infinite value as it already exists within. When you leave our session today, you'll be equipped with some mindsets, strategies, and exercises that you can implement immediately to transcend the noise and find presence in an age of distraction, poise in an age of overwhelming demand, and performance in an age of non-stop disruption. People don't want to be motivated. We want to be inspired. And by being a leader who helps people uncover their purpose and connects to their work, you can be somebody who unlocks that for them.